Everyone thinks the best-selling Dixie horn is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Blau Grun 300dB horns. First up, we have the Blau Grun 2 PCS 300dB super loud train horns. Priced at just $11.69, it immediately caught my attention because of its impressive loudness. If you want a loud and clear warning sound that fits just about any vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Now, why does this matter? It's an excellent way to stay safe, especially in busy areas. Plus, they're made from high-quality ABS material, ensuring they hold up against high temperatures, which is essential if you're driving in warmer climates. With over 3,600 reviews and a 3.6-star rating, it's clear that many people have taken a chance on these horns, and over 1,000 have bought them just this past month. Now, some folks mention that the sound might not be as rich as other options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for sheer volume over musicality, this might not be a deal breaker for you. It's loud enough to get attention, which is often what you need. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, loud horn for your truck or motorcycle. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more melodious sound, but considering the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if that focus on volume bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, offering a musical twist. Product number 2, Vixen La Cucaracha horn. Next up is the Vixen Horns La Cucaracha horn kit, coming in at $52.97. What caught my eye here is its playful twist. It plays the famous La Cucaracha tune, which is sure to turn heads. If you want a fun horn that adds personality to your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This horn features 5 trumpets that are carefully tuned to produce the iconic melody, so it's not just loud, it's catchy too. Made from durable ABS composite material, it can withstand vibrations from rough roads while maintaining its sound quality. Plus, it comes with a compact air compressor that ensures you get a strong and loud melody every time you use it, which is especially handy when you're in crowded areas. However, some users reported that it requires a bit of space for installation due to its size. But if you have a truck or a larger vehicle, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's more about making a statement. This is perfect for you if you want to add a fun touch to your truck. Skip this if you prefer a traditional horn sound, but for the money, it's a solid choice with a unique flair. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a classic American sound. Product number 3, Vixen Dixie horn kit. Moving on, we have the Vixen Horns Dixie horn kit, priced at $52.77. This one stood out because it plays the classic Dixie tune, which is always a crowd pleaser. If you're looking for something that combines performance with nostalgia, this is worth a serious look. What makes this horn special? Like the La Cucaracha, it boasts 5 trumpets that create a loud and clear rendition of the Dixie tune. It's made from a high-quality ABS composite, ensuring it's tough enough to handle rough driving conditions. It also comes with an efficient air compressor, so you won't have to wait long for that classic melody to sound off. However, some users noted that installation can be a bit challenging if you're not handy. But honestly, if you're comfortable working with basic tools, it shouldn't be a problem. Just make sure you're ready to follow the clear instructions included. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic tunes and want to bring a bit of Americana to your truck. Skip this if you want a more modern or simplistic horn sound, but for the quality and nostalgia, it's a great buy. If you want a little more fun and versatility with your horn, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 4, Vixen 46 Sounds Horn. Next, we have the Vixen Horns 46 Sounds musical horn with PA system for only $45.58. This one genuinely surprised me because it has 46 different sounds to choose from. If you want a horn that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. You get 5 different modes, including animal sounds, alarms, and even music. It's not just about being loud. This horn adds an element of fun and versatility. The powerful 15W speaker ensures that no matter what sound you choose, it comes through loud and clear. Whether you're warning pedestrians or just having fun, it's a great addition to your vehicle. That said, some people mention that the sound quality might vary depending on the setting. But here's the thing, with such a variety, you're bound to find something that fits the moment perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want a fun and multifunctional horn. Skip this if you need something more traditional, but for the price and variety, it offers great entertainment value. Now, if you're looking for pure power, the last product on our list cranks up the volume even more. Product number 5, Ornamento 600 dB horns. Finally, we have the Ornamento 12V 600 dB Super Loud Dual Electric Air Horns kit at $23.99. This one really packs a punch and caught my attention for its immense loudness. If you want something that ensures you'll be heard, this is worth a serious look. It's built from chrome zinc and high-quality ABS plastic, which means it's not only loud but also weather-resistant. So if you're driving in the rain, you can trust this horn to perform. Some users did mention that it can be a bit overwhelming compared to other options, and I get that. But if you're after volume and safety, that's exactly what you want. This is perfect for you if you need an extremely loud warning sound for your truck or any 12V vehicle. Skip this one if you prefer something more subtle, but for the price and power, it's a fantastic deal. So to wrap it all up, we've got the Blau Grun for volume, Vixen La Cucaracha for fun, the Dixie horn for classic charm, the versatile Vixen 46 sounds, and the powerful Ornamento horns. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you're looking for. Happy honking!